In this video, you'll learn how to mark a quote as approved in just a few simple steps. Please note that only open and expired quotes can be marked as approved. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Quotes section. Locate the quote for which you wish to send an email to the customer. For this demonstration, I'll use a quote from the Open section as an example. Click on the quote ID of your chosen quote. This will bring you to the Quote Details page. From there, click the More button and select Mark as approved. A confirmation box will then appear. If you want to cancel the process, simply click Cancel or close the box. To mark the quote as approved, click the OK button. Let's check it out. The status has been changed to Approved. Remember one thing. If you turned on the Auto-Convert Quote toggle for the customer of this quote before, after marked as approved, this quote will be automatically convert to invoice. Congratulations! You've just marked a specific quote as approved in just a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.